everyone. And they're all right here waiting on me. Hi. Hello. Hello. Hi, sweetheart. I happen to know for a fact, though, that you had some really good food right at midnight last night and shouldn't be starving too bad. Hey, bud. Hi, Morris. Hi. Hey, Marty. Hey, chicken. This one and me, we get along better. Normally less loud and normally less damage. This is not the tan guy, so I've been... And in the heat, I've just been a little more chill. Hi, Stripe. Yeah, so we got about 2/100ths of an inch of rain last night. You heard me right, not 2/10ths, but 2/100ths. Barely a drip in the rain gauge. And a lot of people around us got 1/2 inch or better. It was all over the place out there, just not here. Really kind of sucked. Don had put the dripper on the viburnum over there. It's already looking better. You know, just really low and let it get soaked because it was all drooped and not looking good. Looking stressed. We're back.
Oh, yeah, I'm a little sore.
Yeah, me too. We won't talk about all the places I'm sore.
Yeah, that's right. But I wasn't dying sore, but I noticed it several times. I've noticed it numerous times since yesterday that I was sore.
And then I come out of the restroom and come in to get busy, and Dawn's over here studying this.
Right.
Now, what is Dawn thinking? All you engineer men out there, engineer types that want to know. Dawn's thinking, I could shorten that for them.
Yeah, they could fix that.
I could make it safer. We made it 55 minutes.
That's right. I did all but 5 minutes on the rope. I did two 10 minutes instead of a 10 and a 15.
Yeah, well, I would have gone on one of the treadmills, except they were all busy.
Yeah.
For a little bit, but yeah. I'm still not quite at my normal reps, but I'm close. I am gonna start on the garage, and I am mad. I'm the blue dot, and it's basically falling apart on approach and gonna miss us again. It's loud, it's stormy looking, it sounds like it might do something. We have a severe thunderstorm warning up, and yeah, it's gonna do nothing again. I did the first 26 steps. I'm missing 4 pieces, 2 unique pieces, and yeah, I mean, it's coming along really nicely.
it.